the vote share. NDA 41% to 43%. That's the projection. Mahagathbandhan 39 to 41%. JVC, do you want everybody to chew their nails through this election?
No, that's how it's going to be. It's a photo finish.
2%.
Because I can tell you there are 7 stories which probably on the polling day we would say to our people. Candidate selection.
Who's done it
Absolutely.
better?
No, both the parties have
messed it
up very badly. Like say, Parihar, there is a lady by name Ritu Jaiswal who had given a very good fight in 2020, who lost by just 27,000 votes in 2024 Lok Sabha election, denied seat. Same way, Subodh at Ramnagar. Ramnagar is a bastion, BJP bastion, and they are losing right now. At Chainpur, they have given a seat to a Muslim MLA who won from BSP, and the 3-term BJP MLA who was a minister had been denied, and he safely went to RJD. Now there are stories like that. Both the sides have goofed up big time, and that is the reason why this close vote share is coming up.
Well, very close, 41 to 43% NDA, Mahagathbandhan 39 to 41%, the Jan Swaraj Party 6 to 7%. Again, I will have to tell you that it's lower than what we saw in September and August.
You will definitely agree to the fact that the momentum is real and it's aggressive, at least for a year-old party. What do you expect of a year-old party?
It has come down, my friend, from last month and the month before that. Does that worry you?
There is I humbly disagree with you. There is a very strong undercurrent which is going on within the voters of Bihar, and the things will be clear as we go across this particular fight.
Unless of course the mysterious death in Mokama.
There are very intense places.
Jungle Raj aap kehte hain, Siddharth Yadav. The kind of crime that we've seen over the last 2 or 3 months, including the Jan Swaraj supporter yesterday, where does that leave governance?
Contest from JDU one times and now RJD. Last time RJD, Anand Singh, this time JDU. So NDA, there is no firewall of saying no to Bahubalis. You have to tell me.
Please, Siddharth, both questions.
No, I think, Navika, there can be no comparison of a Jungle Raj from the RJD rule to today.
What happened yesterday?
And I don't think isolated incidents can count for that. Let me tell you, it's a stat. I'm not speaking for that. 80% of dacoities and murders in Bihar are down. 80%. The ransom calls were being made from Chief Minister's residences. All crime in Bihar was supported by one family.
I have to intervene.
All crime in Bihar was supported.
जंगल राज ज्यादा बड़ा है सर, आप इस पे डिबेट नहीं कर सकते।
मेरे बात बोल लीजिएगा। आप 6% है, मेरे बात बोल लीजिएगा।
बिल्कुल
ठीक है।
नहीं तो ये बात ये देखना होगा।
मेरे बात बोलिए।
नहीं, जिस लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की तारीफ आप कर रहे हैं,
valid point. The young man says you can't. The comparison is not between kiska bada Jungle Raj.
No, absolutely not, and that is why I say there is no comparison. There is no comparison.
Once again, Varasali Ganj, you have 2 dons who have been responsible for death of 700 people.
Okay, Anwar Pasha ji.
Siddharth ji, it seems that you are ignorant of NCRB reports.
No, I'm absolutely not, sir. What is that?
Bihar tops in crime.
Yeah, but it has come
This is
down
the
from the earlier
government record. This is government record.
से पहले की सारी रिपोर्ट को फाड़ दिया गया बिल की तरह.
Every day dozens of murders.
All of them flew away.
And who is protecting
one
the killers?
Minister and one family was the protector of
who is
crime.
protecting the murderers?
The state is not protected
Chief Minister.
He is the political party and not the protector.
He brought the murderers from jail.
He
brought them out of jail by amending the manual of jail. They were brought from the jail for this kind of incident. This is real Jungle Raj. This is
I'm just doing a quick Google check. Kerala has a higher crime rate than Bihar. So,
UP is higher.
Kerala is higher than Bihar.
One small point, that it is a mockery that today only they have released Viksit Bharat ka agenda, and their own candidate, Anand Singh is a candidate from the NDA only. He is the prime suspect of killing a Jan Swaraj. I would say.
But there are allegations from the other side also that have come in. Yes, there is
What
one
sort of Viksit
FIR
Bihar are
on-
they going to create
on
when they are
Anand
fielding
Singh.
such candidates?
But let me do the seat projections as we come towards the finale of the show where numbers matter. The Bihar seat share. Well, we are looking at JVC's predictions. BJP 70 to 81, JDU 42 to 48. LJP, Ramvilas Paswan, Chirag Paswan's party, 5 to 7, HAM, which is Manjhi's party, 2, and then RLM Kushwaha party, the Panch Pandavs, 1 to 2. BJP 120 to 140, again the senior partner, and JDU the junior partner. And Dr. Sanjay Kumar, I want to ask you, are you nervous? Everybody in the opposition is asking the question, नीतीश कुमार बनेंगे कि नहीं? थोड़ा सा बुखार चढ़ रहा है, नर्वसनेस हो रही है ये नंबर देखकर?
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल there is no nervousness and we are quite confident. I think we are going to beat this survey for sure. You know.
Then why did
respect-
Nitish Kumar not speak? Why did Nitish Kumar not speak today at the release of the
Because
manifesto?
he's addressing 7 to 9 rallies, and every day he has a busy schedule. And I think the document is with
No
everyone.
respect for the manifesto. Wow.
He has no time.
Sorry, sir. What did you say?
I said no respect for the manifesto that comes once in 5 years.
No, it was.
Respect for Rahul Gandhi in
Dr.
your launch, sir. You were not
he was
even on the
there-
poster.
He was
Now
there
you're-
to launch this. He launched along with other NDA leaders.
stop insulting the people of
we don't
Bihar,
believe
Sanjay
in
Kumar
fonts.
ji.
We believe in
इतना लोगों
content.
को आप इस
You
तरीके
guys
से
believe in
अपमानित करेंगे?
fonts. We believe
हाँ?
in
लोगों का
content.
तिरस्कार,
You guys
अपमान
believe in
20
fonts.
साल तक किया है
We
आप
believe in
लोगों ने।
content.
संजय झा, महागठबंधन के नंबर सुनेंगे तो संजय झा आपकी थोड़ी सी बोलती शायद बंद हो जाए, बिकॉज इफ आई कैन नाउ प्रोजेक्ट द महागठबंधन सीट शेयर in the Mahagathbandhan, Tejasvi performing neck and neck with the BJP, 69 to 78. Compare this to the BJP 70 to 81. Tejasvi Yadav neck and neck with the BJP. It is the Congress that is bringing down the Mahagathbandhan. 9 to 17. 9 to 17 is the range where the Congress is. If they had performed like the JDU is performing, well, the story would have been different. Look at CPI-ML, which is 12 to 14, CPI 1, CPM 1 to 2. So, Mahagathbandhan at 93 to 112. RJD performing well, Congress bringing it down. And Anwar Pasha जी, मैं शुरू से पूछ रही हूँ ये सवाल, क्या राहुल गांधी आपके लिए कहीं ना कहीं लायबिलिटी है?
बिल्कुल नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। राहुल गांधी इज अ नेशनल लीडर।
नो थैंक्स टू यू संजय झा, इतने खुश मत होइए। मेहनत, ऑल द हैवी लिफ्टिंग डन बाय तेजस्वी जी।
नाविका जी, why Prime Minister was not there? Why Home Minister was not there in the release function? You are asking why Rahul Gandhi was not there. That's what I'm asking.
अरे भैया, I'm talking.
Why they were not there? They should
अनवर
have been
पाशा
there.
जी,
They are camping in
अनवर
Bihar.
पाशा जी सीट प्रोजेक्शन में,
Entire cabinet of central government is camping in Bihar. Why they
अनवर
were
पाशा
not
जी,
there?
which means
All leaders were there.
which
Say
means
that
it
this
is very
manifesto was
clear
not drafted
Professor
in
Anwar
Patna.
Pasha
It
does
was
not
drafted
want
in
to
Patna.
speak on
It
Rahul
was drafted
Gandhi
in Gujarat
one
and
way
Delhi.
or another because he doesn't think he's a factor. राहुल गांधी पर आप नहीं बोलेंगे, आपने
मैंने बोल दिया, मैंने
क्या
कहा।
बोला?
No, he is a national leader.
नेशनल लीडर,
Obviously.
बिहार में उनका
He is
impact
an
नहीं।
asset for anybody.
He's a
He's for
national
asset for
leader.
anybody.
He's- don't want
He's
India.
bringing you down.
He's a
He's
national
asset
leader
for
के बिहार में ना आए तो अच्छा है।
61 seats में,
Yeah, he is a leader. He is a
61
Maharashtra,
seats
Delhi.
में,
As Tejasvi Yadav ji is a declared face for CM. He is the future of Bihar.